Hola amigos, hola amigas, ¿cómo está? Yo muy bien. ¿Y tú? I just step outside and it just starts pouring out. Go figure, go figure. Oh, I'm so disappointed. I missed my my Friday video. The past couple days have been super busy, but some big moves are happening. I got 5 more days in Mexico, and then I am moving to Bali, Indonesia for a little bit. Super excited about that. So that's what kind of has been taking up my time. I've been getting everything ready for the move over there, and plane tickets and traveling here, there, and everywhere. So that's what's been happening for the last little bit, and I can't wait to meet the community who I'll be working with over there. Super excited. Starting my business over there. There's just lots of stuff on the go. Today's video is not going to be very long, just because I've been working all day, and it's not really that nice of a day out to go adventuring. I'm getting rained on under a tree right now. That's not why I'm moving. That's why I'm not moving, so I don't know. It'll stop probably here in a bit, but we'll see. I'm super tired, so I think I might even take a little cat nap for a little bit. But yeah, some big moves are going on. And I'm only a day late with this video, so that's not too bad. But still, I already missed my deadline for Friday. Sorry everybody, I'm so sorry. That's even if anybody's watching, eh? But yeah, Bali, Indonesia. Seeing pictures, seeing videos, I just can't wait. So as always, you know, if you want to check out my Instagram, I'll put my tag right here. It's Adventurous Adam 1991, and I keep saying it, I'm super excited. I can't wait for what the future holds. And as always everybody, thanks so much for tuning in, thanks for watching. Rise up, accept that challenge, and be a phoenix. And the next video will be Monday. It'll be Monday for sure, I can guarantee that. Don't know what it'll be about, but Monday for sure. So everybody, take care, thanks again.